I am on the Regional Transportation Agency right now, the Regional Transportation Authority. So I'm on that board for the whole county, and that is the main transportation agency in the county in terms of buses. Then I'm also on the City Council. We have our own bus transportation, like we just bought the double-decker bus. We did that because we had to buy two buses because two buses were completely thrashed and they had to be put out of service. And we were leaving students behind on routes 4 and 5. And so students were unable to depend on the bus service being there regularly on time so they could make it to class on time. And so we realized that getting a double-decker bus would allow us to accommodate all the students who needed to get to class on time. And also would mean we're just buying one bus, so it's far less pollution, and just one bus driver, so it actually costs the city less in terms of operations. So it's that kind of thing, looking at the need, looking at the efficiency. And we have a contract with Cal Poly so that students and faculty and staff do not have to pay for the bus service. And that's partly to provide ways of getting on and off campus without cars. That's really important. The other question would be if Cal Poly really would want to consider not giving parking permits to people who live, say, within a quarter mile of the campus. They could do something like that as long as there's safe nighttime transportation, because you want to make sure people are safe at night. I'm open to anything, really. And I certainly wouldn't think that the City Council would think up everything. I think that the university and the students themselves should be coming up with ideas and proposing solutions, and then the City Council would try to facilitate what works.